Latino Market is happy to be celebrating our 33-year anniversary. And now, ordering your favorite products is easier than ever. For tamales, just go to the homepage, latinomeatmarket.com, and from the homepage, you can navigate to cold tamales by the dozen or hot tamales by the dozen. You schedule your date and time that you want to pick up your tamales, and first select which type you want. Then you select the date, and then you select the time you want to pick them up. If you decide to change to a different type, then you once again select the date you want to pick them up, the time you want to pick them up, and then if you have a coupon code, you enter it here or go to Book Now. Once here, you have another opportunity to enter any coupon codes you may have, or if you want more than 1 dozen, you start entering how many dozens you want right here. Next, you go to Contact and you enter your information. And now you're going to be able to do your extras. Once you filled out your information, your email is where you are going to get a receipt for your order with the unique booking ID. Then you go to adding anything extra. You will have another option to add tamales of a different type on this other end. So you select if you wanted a dozen of cheese, a dozen of, and if you wanted to add any beans or any other items, rice, salsas, guacamole, pico de gallo, any other add-ons, they can be added here. After this, you can go to the payment information and any details you want the team to know. From here, you just go to the payments information. You will be emailed a unique booking ID, which is the ID number we need when you come pick up your order in the restaurant side of the market. Thank you.